Hello everyone. As we all know, India has a scattered consumer population and diverse consumer behavior. Hence, it becomes important to ensure consumer safety. A consumer, in simple terms, is any person who purchases goods and services for personal use. Consumer Protection Act of 2019 is a law to protect the interest of consumers by establishing authorities for effective administration and settlement of consumer disputes. There are in total 6 consumer rights. The first right is right to safety. The right to safety basically means the right to be protected against the marketing of goods and services hazardous to life and property. The purchased goods and services availed should not only meet their immediate needs but also fulfill long term interest. This right is applicable to specific areas like healthcare, pharmaceuticals, food processing, etc., and it is spread across domains having serious effect on the health of the consumers like automobiles, housing, domestic appliances, and travel sectors. While purchasing goods, consumers should look for quality mark products such as ISI, ACMARC, etc. There are many laws to secure our right to safety, which can be broadly classified as those that set standards for safety of goods and services and those that are meant to ensure our physical safety. To understand this right better, two case studies are taken into consideration. The first one is Anubama D versus Mondelez India Foods Private Limited. The case involves Darla Anupama, a resident of Brodipet, Guntur, purchasing two Cadbury Dairy Milk on July 17, 2016. While having, it was found to be bitter in taste. When she opened the second chocolate bar, she even found a mold which was unappealing. Immediately, she lodged a complaint to Mondelez through mail along with relevant photographs. The company's representative reached out to her and requested not to publicize the issue and also took away the samples. However, she felt betrayed and filed a complaint in the Consumers Forum and sought a relief of Rs 5 lakh for the mental agony caused to her. The retailer, in his defense, claimed that he had no role in the quality of the product as he sold a sealed product. And the advocate of the manufacturer claimed that her complaint is not maintainable because she did not submit the sample of the chocolates. Nevertheless, the company did not deny the fact that the issue had been raised by the complainant and the representative visiting her house and taking away the samples. The final judgment of this case, after taking all this into consideration, is that the forum held Mondelez responsible for deficiency in service and directed it to pay Rs 50,000 and also the firm to pay Rs 5,000 towards cost of the complainant and Rs 90 for the cost of the chocolates. Next, we move on to the second case study for the right to safety. P. Talapati versus PepsiCo. A consumer named P. Talapati from Aminjikarai bought a Mirinda on July 27, 2013 from a bar attached to a Tasmac shop, that is, a Tamil Nadu State Marketing Corporation shop. Before consuming it, he found dead insects inside the bottle. Immediately, he filed a complaint with the forum against PepsiCo and the shop. He even registered a complaint with the PepsiCo executive. In response to the complaint filed by him, the sample was tested at the King Institute in Chennai and was found to be unfit for consumption. The forum, however, discharged the shop from the case since it was just a seller. PepsiCo was fined Rs 15,000 by the Chennai Consumer Disputes Redressal Forum. PepsiCo, in defense, said that the bottle was not manufactured by them and the bar must have tampered with the bottle and changed the contents. However, The forum rejected PepsiCo's defense and said that as the complainant did not suffer any loss or injury and he is not entitled to any relief, but as the complainant faced mental agony, the company cannot escape its liability. Therefore, the judgment was that since the complainant has gone through mental agony, the forum ordered the company to pay rupees 10,000 towards compensation and rupees 5,000 towards litigation expenses. Overall, in the right to safety, whether as consumers or citizens, we are pretty short changed and generally living with a wide margin of risk, leaving much to chance and fate. Therefore, I conclude with a friendly reminder to be an informed consumer in this dynamic market. Thank you.